Hi guys, so we have some dolls to open up. We've got 5 dolls. We've got a Barbie extra. We've got Barbie from the Diamond Castle. We've got Campbell's Alphabet Soup. We've got Birthday Wishes. And Princess of Ancient Greece. We're going to start off with the Dolls of the World Princess of Ancient Greece doll. And look at how beautiful she is. Oh, I'm so excited to get her out. And then this is what the back of her box looks like. We are taking her out because her box is damaged. So there's no reason to keep this beautiful doll in there. So pretty. Oh, look at her gorgeous face. Wow. All right. Ow. Okay. That was rude. Okay. My word, you're so pretty. Her hair is gorgeous too. You can see it's like curled and then pinned up. So pretty. Her face is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Her outfit is stunning. Like very stunning. Okay. So we'll start with her hair, as we talked about. It's all curled and absolutely gorgeously beautiful. And then she also has this really pretty, almost like a crown type of thing going on here. Let me dim these a little bit so you can see better. It is really pretty. It looks like, oh, I can't really think of what it is, but almost like a plant type of design. It's really pretty. And then her earrings are this really pretty gold hoop with little dots on it. Very beautiful. And then her makeup is very minute to where it's just absolutely gorgeous on her. And then her outfit, she's got this sash that's being, and the dress that's being, I'm assuming pinned or something by these, is what it's supposed to be representing. Which are really, really pretty. And then her sash has this really pretty gold color design on the edge. And then her dress is just this gold color, but it's got like, oh, what do they call these? Is it like mermaid style dress? What comes out at the bottom? I think. But a very pretty color, and together it just absolutely is stunning. Oh, she is so pretty. Sorry, my dog keeps making noise back there. Oh, wow. I'm so happy with her. And then she did come with some things. So most collected dolls do come with, certificate of authenticity. Just there. And then, oh, this is to start getting the Mattel catalogs, which I'm pretty sure they do not do that anymore, unfortunately. And it also came with a passport. With empty pages. And then I guess you would take your doll's picture and place it in there and add all that stuff. I'm not really sure. either way, beautiful doll. And I'm very excited. She does come with a stand, thankfully. So I got this doll for $5 at the doll show in Georgia, at the Peachtree Doll Show. So that was really cool. I got it for so cheap. And oh, I guess I need to show you her shoes too, huh? So her shoes are honestly so, they're really upsetting, honestly, with how beautiful this doll is, that they gave her just plain white flats. I don't know if they used all their brain in the design of the doll and then had nothing left for the shoes or something. I'm not really sure what happened here at all. Once again, I hate when they make flat shoes for dolls that have pointy feet. I don't understand it. I mean, they don't even really look like they go with this outfit. I feel like she needs heels, not gonna lie. But, you know, we can only get what we get. The sash does open up on the side. So, and then on her bracelet over here, she has got a snake looking bracelet happening. I don't know if you can see it better that way or not. So it looks like it's wrapped around her wrist. It's really cute. So I'm happy they put jewelry on her with the bracelet and the earrings and these shoulder pins. Very cute. And then her little crown thing going on. And then her dress, I mean, even though it's kind of plain, it looks really good. And then I guess they were about the shoes and just didn't care. But, you know, I guess you win some, you lose some. But thankfully her shoes are not really shown. So it's not too bad. All in all, she's a really pretty doll. I'm very excited about her. Okay. Next, we will open Birthday Wishes Barbie. So she actually had all three, because there's 3 in this set. She had all 3. I also got this one at the doll show in Georgia. And she had all 3 of them, but the first 2 just, I don't know, they just weren't speaking to me. They weren't what I wanted. She was like, I have all 3, you can get all 3. And I was like, yeah, not really feeling it. Oh, this is Velcro. How cute. And it says, may your day be filled with laughter and fun. Happy birthday in 2001. How cute is that? Oh my word, that's so cute. I didn't even notice that. So it does say happy birthday like all over the box. And then the back says, Birthday Wishes Barbie is here to celebrate you and the ones you love. The series features beautiful Barbie dolls wearing lovely fashions. This year's Barbie also holds a pretty gift bag in honor of your special day. The package is designed to look delicately gift wrapped and ready to give with a special card on the front for you to sign. Give Birthday Wishes Barbie to someone special every year. Doll stand included. Sweet. So, this one is from 2000, is when it was trademarked, at least. It was 2000. The grease one was 2003, by the way. Oh, she's so pretty. She reminds me of, like Barbie movie doll Barbies, I guess is the best way to put it. So here's all the stuff in the back. She's very cute. Oh, she's so cute. Okay. Here we go. So once again, certificate of authenticity. Most collected dolls come with those. I got this doll for $10, by the way. All right. Oh, she's so cute. Happy birthday gift bag. Oh, how cute. So it looks like it has like little tissue in there as if there's a little gift. Don't think there is. No. But look how cute it is. And it looks the same on the back. Happy birthday. Oh, this one says 2001. How cute. That is actually so cute to come with this. That's who she reminds me. She reminds me of Little Bo Peep on Toy Story. That is what she reminds me of. I was like, what exact thing does she remind me of? Okay. Well, I had to take that last piece off, and so I unbuttoned this, and it looks like this is actually a two-piece dress. You see it like fully comes off. It is just together by some string. So this is actually a two-piece dress. That's really cool. All right, let me fix her back up real quick. Maybe. There we go. All right. So here she is, looking absolutely beautiful. So she's got obviously some really pretty blonde hair, and it's in this ringlet curl, which honestly looks absolutely phenomenal for being in a box for 25 years. Absolutely phenomenal. Her bangs are swooped to the side, and then her hair is up in a ponytail and then wrapped with her hair. And then she has got some little white pearl earrings and a pearl necklace. She has very subtle makeup and some pink lips. And then her dress, which really is actually a shirt and a skirt, but pretty much a dress. Her top has got this really pretty lace coming around the top. We also have some like tulle-like fabric for the sleeves with some bows up top. A really cute pink bow up in the very front. And then we have this bodice that like kind of looks like it's snatching the waist here. It's really, really pretty. The blue is absolutely beautiful too. And then the bottom of her dress is poofed out. And underneath this, we have like this lacy material, kind of like the top. With little flowers all over it. And then we got this tulle that comes around the sides and the back. But then it opened up in the front. Oh, she's so pretty. And then on her hands, she has the cutest little gloves. with a little bow as well. She really is so stinking pretty. So there she is. And then, oh, she has cute shoes, yay! She doesn't have stupid flats. So here are her shoes. They are so cute. And there's the little front, if you can see. I'm not sure if you can really see that or not. Let me put them on her real quick. Oh my word, look how cute she is with these shoes on. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. Love her. And then she's also got her little stand. Just there she is. Next, we have Campbell's Barbie alphabet soup. I just thought these dolls are so cute whenever they like resemble a certain thing. I think it's so cute. There she is, and there's back with the alphabet soup. Is it a word scramble? It is. It's a word search. How cute. And there's also a bookmark for you inside. Huh. Learn some super facts. In 1 year, Campbell's produces almost 11 billion letters for its alphabet soups. If you laid all the letters eaten in a year's worth of Campbell's alphabet soup side by side, they would reach from New York to Los Angeles 7 times. 82 cans of Campbell's alphabet soup are eaten every minute of every day in the year. I want to know how they found that out. You're a super speller with Barbie. It's so cute. All right. So this one is from 1999. And let's get her open. Oh my word. The little pieces that come with these dolls. They're so cute. Oh my word. So she comes with a little bag of goldfish. And then she comes with a little Campbell's soup cup. And then she comes with Campbell's the alphabet soup. Did it used to come in a bottle and not a can? I thought it came in cans. It's got some dry rotted rubber bands around it from where she was holding it. As you can see, it's on her hand too. So obviously she was holding this at one point. But there's that. Oh, there's so many cute things that come with this doll. I'm so excited. Hairbrush. So here she is, looking fabulous. And as you see, it comes with all kinds of things. So it comes with a little spoon. I'm assuming this is the bookmark. That's the only like really long thing I see. I'm thinking. It's got Campbell's notebook. I guess Campbell's coloring pencils. A calculator, a pen, a ruler, a pencil, and I think it's a pencil pouch. How cute. And these all come out like they're all cutouts. Oh, also on the front of the box, it said coupon inside, 25 cents off 2 cans of Campbell's soup. Offer expires June 1st of 2001. So, I guess I can throw this away. Oh, it's so cute. Let's get it out. Can't wait. So I was looking on the box. It shows that the coupon expires June 1st, 2001. Then on the coupon, it shows it expires June 1st, 2003. Somebody did not put the right coupon in. Not that it matters, as it is still well past 2003. Man, in 2001, I was 4 years old. So in 2003, I was like 6. What the heck? So for her shoes, they like actually tied it. I'm not really sure what's happening here. I guess not twisted, it was actually tied. Oh, good. I can't. Thank goodness. All right, so here she is. Ooh, I gotta redo that hair. Yeah, unfortunately, the rubber band needs a goner, so she will need to get washed. So we will just quickly look at her hair. Her hair is like a golden blonde, I guess, like a golden color. It's not like super blonde. It looks like the top is pulled back into an upper top ponytail, and the very front is pulled to the side. It's actually really cute how they did multiple details and not just a pulled up top. So really cute. And then she's got some red earrings. She has some really pretty blue eyes and some really red lips. She's very pretty. And then her shirt, we have a Campbell shirt, obviously. Which honestly, this shirt reminds me of Coca-Cola. I'm not gonna lie. So, there she is. And then her pants are so cute how they're so baggy and like folded at the bottom. And then real pockets so she can put her little spoon and stuff in there. How cute. How cute. I love that. Working pockets. Let's tighten up those pants, girl. She's got a ring on this hand. And then her little, her jeans are really cute. Like, they're really cute how they're baggy on her. They really are. And then her shoes look a lot like the birthday wishes shoes, but they're red. They're not the same exact ones, but they do look a lot like them. They're really cute. I love these shoes. Like, these are so much better than just typical high heels. Like, there's so much detail to them. And they're so cute. I love it. Love it. So there she is. She's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. And then let's look at all the stuff that came with her. So we saw that this is the bookmark that comes with her. Lower this, it's very bright. There's the bookmark. And she's got a little Campbell's notebook. Campbell's colored pencils. Oh my word, this might be my favorite thing. I think it is. This little spoon. Oh my word, it's so cute. It's so stinking cute. Goes right into the little Campbell's cup. Look how stinking cute. Oh, I love it. I really wish dolls nowadays came like with this much detail. Not just to Barbie, not just to her clothes or her hair, but like the little things. Like this is cardboard. Like, I mean, not the cup and the spoon, obviously, but the rest of this is cardboard. Why can we not add this with the dolls now? I don't understand. So here's a little ruler. A little pencil that says, good. A little pen. It says Campbell's. A calculator. And a little pencil pouch. I really wish Mattel would add more things to their dolls now. It would make them just better in general and more wonderful. I think it's cute having little things, and especially cardboard. I mean, it's cardboard. We're not asking you to put gold in there. This one does not come with a stand since she was a Playline doll. So she will go on a regular stand. She's so cute. I got her for $5 as well from the same seller as I got the Grease Barbie. So we got 2 more dolls left. We have Barbie Diamond Castle and we have Barbie Extra. So let's get into these beauties. We will start with the Barbie Extra. This is number 5, and I have been wanting this one. I love her hair, like ridiculously a lot. I just couldn't find her for a good price, and I finally found her at the Jonesboro doll show, and I got her for $10. So here's what the front of her box looks like. I'm trying to get that light off, but there we go. And this is what the back of her box looks like. And this one was like 2023? 2020? Has it been that long? Oh my, I didn't realize that. I thought these came like a couple years ago. Let's see, I also have this one. And I would like to get this one. I'm not really too interested in either one of these. They're cute, but I like their vibrant hairs. Like, I really like the vibrant hair. So, let's get her opened. Okay, well, dang. I may have gotten a little bit excited. There's that part. This is it. I don't really know if this rainbow is supposed to come out or not. So it definitely can. I think it's really cute. Little stars do move around in there. Cute. I think it's really cute. We'll put that over there for now. Okay, so she comes with this little dog in a car because obviously the name, Barbie Extra. Everything is extra about them. So, it's really cute little Jeep. Sorry, that's a lot of noise, isn't it? So here's her little dog, looking cute. Needs to be washed. Girl, you're dirty. Ew, like really grossly dirty. That's like stuff all over them. It's kind of like, kind of sticky. It's actually really gross. You're getting washed. And then we've got this really cute little Barbie cart. It says Barbie on the bottom. And a bee on the back. And there's just a little car for the puppy to ride in, I guess. So yeah, here's that. And then we have the beautiful doll herself. Oh, here she is. So she's got a little purse. It looks like a little perfume bottle with a phone on it. How cute. And then she's also got some glasses because it can't be fashionable without glasses. Definitely can't see some days with that sun. How crazy it is. Anyway, here's her glasses. Just a pair of regular black glasses. Alright, here she is looking so stinking cute. I just love her hair. I just love how it's braided up top like a French braid, but it's like a very intricate, I feel like. Maybe it's just regular French braid. It's just really pretty. I guess it is. It's just really, really pretty. And then all the colors of, her hair. So we go from pink to purple to blue to green to yellow. It's just so pretty. So pretty. And then she's got these extremely large, ridiculously extra earrings going on. Some gold earrings. And then her face is so pretty. She's got obviously some serious makeup going on. I love her beauty mark by her lips. She's got really pretty eyes and really pretty, it's like a dark brown eyeshadow going on. And then some really pretty purple magenta type lips. Just really pretty. And then underneath this jacket, she's got some necklaces. A longer one, and then a couple more like choker type. Well, this one's not, isn't it? Or is it just coming loose? Oh, no. Yep, it's like a choker type. It's just coming loose. Necklaces. And then she's got a tank top that says love on it. And then this jean jacket that's got flames, pink and orange flames all around it. And then it has these like taluses type things coming down. Reminds me of like cowgirly-ish. Let's see. And on her left arm, we've got just a couple bracelets, a gold one and a pink one. And then she's got just regular jean shorts on. Nothing special here. And then she's got some bright green socks and some yellow high heel boots. How cute. They remind me of like work boots. Ooh, my girl's got some like serious that's coloring on her back of her leg. I mean, not serious, it's just one little spot. But it is like a stain. So there she is, looking so cute. I love her. When Barbie Extras first came out, I kind of thought they were like a little bit ridiculous, and I wasn't a big fan of them. And so I did not buy any of them. And it wasn't until the Barbie Extra playset, the girl with the long purple hair and had like the salon type thing going on. She was normally $60, and I found her on clearance at Walmart for $15, and I just couldn't. It was too good of a deal, and she was kind of cute, but I was like, I don't know, I guess. I got her out of box, and I was like, I love her. I love the Barbie Extra line. I want more. And so it was this one, and then the other one I showed you that I really wanted. And I've been looking for them for a good price for a really long time, and I just couldn't justify spending them. So when I found them for $10 each, I was head over heels. I was so excited. So she will be getting put up next to my other extra with her little hair salon thing going on. Oh yeah, how cute. Okay, we have, oh, hold on. Let's look at her with these glasses. Ooh, girl, put these on. It's like the best I'm gonna get them, apparently. We're looking chill. They don't fit on top of her head very well, and I think it's because of the braid. Like, I don't want to mess them up because I cannot braid this good at all. Barbie in the Diamond Castle. So I do have this doll already. I actually got her as a child, and I always wanted this one, but I never was able to get her as a child. And then by the time I was an adult, obviously they were not making these dolls anymore. So I was really sad, and I couldn't really find this doll anywhere, especially not for a good price. So I'm so excited. I got her at the Georgia Doll Show, and I got her for $15. So obviously you have Princess Liana. It says collect them all. Princess Liana, which is this one. There's Glimmer the horse, and there's the Muses. So I also have the Muse on the far left with the purple dress. I also have her. And then you can also get Princess Alexa, which I have. The twin musicians, and then the mini muses. Those are like all the dolls that came in the line. So both of them, their dresses do like certain things. This one, it flips. It does like a whole flipperoo. This one, it just opens up. That's all it does. And then the one cool thing about them, I do have to get more batteries for both of the dolls, is you squeeze their hands together because there's a little button on their hands, and you squeeze them together and they will actually sing the song. 2 voices, 1 song, and connected like in unison together. Oh, it's so cool. I cannot wait to do it. So let's get her out and look at her. I'm so excited. I had the same brush from the other doll, but I don't know where it went. So there we go. Now I have this one. I did not mean to do that. Barbie, every girl's gotta have it list. Oh, that's cool. Every girl's gotta have it list. Check off your favorites. Ooh. Oh, the Be Stylish dolls. So Be Stylish dolls they had. She's really pretty. And then the eye design. That was really cool. I actually saw one of these dolls there, and she wasn't that much at all, but I was like, I don't have the stuff to do it. And you know, desktop computers aren't really a thing anymore, and I definitely don't have one. Candy Glam. Barbie Candy Glam doll assortment. You know, I've never seen them, but I really like this one. Barbie Love Me 3. Oh, these little puppies. How cute. Man, there's just a book of everything, apparently. The Barbie My House. So I did not have this exact one, but I had one a lot like it. And then here are other play sets that you can get for your Barbie My House. OMG. The I Can Be a TV Chef playset. I have her. I had the whole thing. I have no idea where all the accessories went, but I do have her, and she was one of my favorite dolls for sure. And there's the I Can Be Zoo Doctor playset. And then the Party Cruise playset. I remember that too. Oh, Barbie Mariposa, which I also have her. Such a pretty doll. And Make Bath Time Playtime, the Mermaid Falls playset. I was never really into mermaids. Was not a big fan. Wasn't even a huge fairy fan, so I only had a couple of those. And then obviously Diamond Castle. Oh, and then the actual Diamond Castle with the carriage. I remember these. These were such a huge hit. I completely forgot about these. The Barbie Peekaboo Petites. Does anyone else remember having these? Oh man, I loved getting these. I totally forgot. Oh, how cool and how fun. I'm really sad they stopped making these. I loved these so much. Gosh, what a shame that they stopped making such amazing things. And then you have the check off your favorites list, and it has a lot of like well-known Barbies. So like Totally Hair, Braid It, Color It, Wave It, the Eye Design, the Barbie Candy Glams, pretty much all the things they had in here. Did they have Totally Hair? Oh, those were the Totally Hair dolls for the Be Stylish ones. So all the dolls that we just saw, there's a list, and all the petites. I didn't see the Blossom Beauties, did we? Maybe we did. I don't know. Either way, that is really cool to have. And then we got some instructions on how to use the doll that we're not going to read because we all know how to play with a doll. Let's open her up. Sweet. There's not much to do, and I love that. All right, well, that did it. I'm not sure what's on this. There's like some nastiness on the back of that cardboard. Ew. Mm. Gross. It's a little sticky. Okay. But we are getting there. Her hair. Her hair's doing some really weird stuff happening right now. That's okay. I'm gonna have to get my other doll. I don't know. She looks so much more cartoony than the other one, which was what? Princess Alexa. Doesn't look as cartoony. Like her face, to me, just looks extremely cartoony. I don't know. But we'll go ahead and start the little review. I'm just looking her over. So obviously she's got a purple crown. She's got really pretty blue eyes with some sparkly eyeshadow and some dark eyeliner and some pink lips. She's got some really pretty blonde hair. That's really, well, it's just off right now. That's all. That is all. And then she's got a purple plastic on, like made onto her skin. Necklace. I could not think of the word. I'm sorry. And then her dress is like a swimsuit type material. That's what the top of her dress is. And it's really sparkly, which I love the sparkle. And then it's got a little goldish ribbon and this purple material on top and some a little bit puffy pink shoulder sleeves. Very cute. And then the bottom is obviously sparkly as well. It's got some other designs going on. It's really cute. This cardboard is still under it, so I needed to take that out so we can do the little mechanism to see how her dress transforms, because I have never actually seen it, obviously, since I never had her as a child. I will say what's really strange about this doll as well, because I know the other one, Alexa, is not like this, is that she has painted pink legs. I personally don't like that at all. Like, at all. So, let's see how this works. I believe we twist this. So. Oh no. There we go. Oh, okay. That was it. We did. I don't know what's happening. I don't think it's supposed to look like this. Just like it looks normal like this, and then First off, that one does not want to turn. And then so it looks like she's just gonna have to have a sparkly dress on, because the other way it doesn't work very well, I don't think. Ooh, a whole bunch of dry rubber band. I don't know what I just said. A whole bunch of dry rot rubber bands happening down here. So definitely gonna have to wash this hair. And then she's got some purple shoes, high heels, which look a lot like Alexa's. Well, I'm gonna go to Alexa just so I can show you what I mean by she just looks so different to Alexa. She looks a lot different, I think. So here's Alexa. As you can see, like her face isn't as cartoony. Like it looks normal, like a normal Barbie face. Let me put them both next to each other so you can see. Oops. I don't know. She just looks so much more cartoony to me than this one does. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But also Alexa has normal legs, like they can bend, you know, like how the Barbie legs used to be back then. I don't know, she just didn't look, I don't think this one looked as bad. I think this one, I don't like that her legs are painted. I don't like that at all. But either way, we've got her. So we will get her cleaned up and then get her up. But that is all of them. So you guys will have to comment and tell me which one is your guys' favorite from this group. I do have another group of dolls that I'm going to be unboxing here. Good day and thanks for watching.